How to buy or purchase Brawl Pass using gems. The very first thing that you have to do is, of course, access your Brawl Stars account and make sure that you're logged in. Now, if you have enough gems for you to buy a Brawl Pass, as you can see if you tap on gems right here, gems are used to buy brawlers, skins, and other things from the shop, which means you can also purchase Brawl Pass using your gems. But as of 2025, there is actually, or there is no certain option for you to be able just to head directly and purchase Brawl Pass using the gems. But here's what you can do. If you have enough gems from your Brawl Star account, all you have to do is to withdraw that money. So as you can see, Brawl Gems and Brawl Pass are in a different amount of funds from your Brawl Stars account. So all you have to do first is just withdraw your Brawl Star gems and then just purchase directly from the Brawl Pass right here. So you will be having two options. It's either going to be the Brawl Pass regular account or the Brawl Pass um, Advance Pass. So all you have to do is choose on those options right there, and you should be able to purchase it. So that's it. That's how you purchase Brawl Pass using gems.